I'm going to add a roof similar to this one that covers the garage door. In the project browser, I'm going to go down to top of plate, go to architecture, and go to roof. In the properties, select type selector, select garage 8-inch, zoom into the southwest corner of the garage, select pick lines, select the exterior siding of the south garage wall, set the offset to 1/2 of an inch, select this roof line just north of the roof line. In the draw menu, select the line tool, zoom in and create a line starting at the intersection of the west reference plane and this line that you just drew. Draw the line up at 45 degrees past the first line that you drew. Select modify twice to get out of that command. Select the line, select the mirror pick line tool, and select the mirror line. Select the trim, extend to trim tool. Pick this line and that line, this line and that line, this line and that line, and this line and that line. Select modify twice. Select this line, check define slope, and set the slope to 1212. Select the green check. Go to 3D and inspect your work.